found the newspaper.
You went on an adventure and found the newspaper.
He like went into our driveway.
Doesn't look very good. How's the fuel?
Good, I guess. I can't really tell though.
Got a match?
What?
Got a match?
Yeah.
We'll hold a match to it.
Let me go.
Ah, yes. This is the oil can. This is the gas can where we keep the oil gas mixture. Oh, don't wait. So dump the oil in there, and then we'll put gas in it. That'll be the oil gas mixture. There's the gas can. You like how I'm doing the shooter? Like with my finger, I'm pointing like, what's that game?
Halo.
AOL. Yeah, Halo.
AOL.
Yeah, Halo. You know, this really is a very pretty treat with all this snow on it. Look at our neighbors. The street is being plowed out, but it's blocking our driveway pretty darn good. What kind of bird did you see? A bird. Alex saw a bird, and he was thinking that they should have migrated south for the winter. Yeah. Go ahead, pour it in. Oh, there you go. So keep an eye on it, don't overfill it. Alex, what's our plan?
Snow blow the driveway. Yup.
Edge of the driveway.
Yeah, hit the middle.
See, looks like about 8 inches of snow, 6 inches of snow, something like that. Okay, I think we're ready. Check out my glove.
Yeah.
Okay, road's on, ready to go.
That's pretty thick!
Hey Eric, this looks like deep snow. Aren't you know we have a snowblower?
Yeah.
Me too. Not funny, Alan. This is a real pain.
Low battery!
There's 2 things you shouldn't do if you're out of shape. One of them is shovel snow. Oh yeah, I'm counting that as a workout. Yes, I am.